Okay, today we're going to use the area formula for a circle, which is area is equal to pi r squared. We're going to use that to find population density using a formula there. We're also going to find areas of sectors and figure things out by using the areas of sectors. So let's get right to it. First, we want to find an area of a circle with a radius of 2.5 centimeters. So area is going to be equal to pi times 2.5 squared, and that is going to be equal to about 19.63. We want to find the diameter of a circle with an area of 113.1. So we want to find 113.1 is equal to pi r squared. Notice when we've solved this, we're going to find the radius. The diameter will be 2 times that. So we divide by pi, and we get r squared is equal to 36. So r is equal to 6. The diameter then is equal to 12. And that would be centimeters. Sorry, my phone was going dead there and I had to turn it off. So we want to find the area of a circle with a radius of 4.5 meters. So area is going to be equal to pi 4.5 squared. And that is going to be about 63.62. We want to find the radius of a circle. So we're going to go 176.7 is equal to 2 or pi r squared. Divide by pi, and r squared is going to be equal to about 56.25. The square root of that is about 7.5. Alright, so here we have population density. So we're going to figure the area like we just have been, and then we're going to divide the number of people within that radius to find the number of people that live per square mile. So number 2, we want to find the area of a 5-mile radius. So area is equal to pi 5 squared, or 25 pi, and we're just going to use 25 pi and put it into the calculator that way. So we're going to have the population of 430,000 divided by 25 pi, and that's going to be about 5,475 people per square mile. Second problem, we have a 3-mile radius which has a density of about 6,195. So we're going to work it backwards, and we're going to have 6,195 is equal to x over, we have a 3-mile radius, so x over 9 pi. So we're going to multiply, and we're going to get x is equal to 175,159 people. Going down, looking at the monitoring progress. So 58,000 people live in a 2-mile radius. So we're going to have 58,000 divided by 4 pi, and that's going to be about 4,615 people per square mile. We have density of 1,000 people, so we have 1,000 is going to be equal to x over radius 9 pi, and multiply our x value is going to be about 28,274 people. So here we're going to have sectors of circles. Again, we're going to use that same type of ratio we used before and figure these out. So number 3, we know that UV is equal to 70 degrees. So we're going to have 70 over 360 times pi r squared, and actually we're going to use the we're going to subtract it. So we're going to go and find the measure of USV instead. Excuse me there, I got off my notes a little bit. So we want to find the area of the small circle. So we're going to first find the area of the small circle, or small vector. Small is going to be equal to 70 over 360 times 64 pi, and that's going to be equal to about 39.1. Then we want to find the large section, the blue section, and that's going to be 290 over 360 times 64 pi, and that's going to be 161.97. In the following problem, we know that our area is 35. It's going to be equal to 40 over 360 and times the area of V. And what we're going to get when we multiply that out, we're going to get the area of the large section, the blue section, is going to be 315 square units, or meters squared. Lastly, we have a couple of problems. For the first problem, we're going to find the area of the rectangle, the large part of the whole wall, area of wall, and it's going to be minus the area of the square part inside the wall, and added to that the area of the half circle or semicircle. So writing that all out, we're going to get 36 times 26 minus 16 squared for the circle plus 180 over 360 for the half circle times 64 pi, because the radius there is going to be 8 feet, and we pi r squared. Putting all that into the calculator, we're going to get 938 minus 356.53. So that area is going to be 581.47 square feet. Alright, so we want to find the area of the large circle here. So we know that it's going to be The area of the small circle is 214.37, is going to be equal to 85 over 360 times the area. We'll divide by 85 over 360. We get the area is going to be 909.32. In this next one, we're going to have to add up the area of the triangle and the area of the half circle. Add those together. So area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, which is 49, 7 times 7. So 1/2 of 49 plus 180 over 360 is equal to 1/2 pi 7 squared. 1/2 of 49 pi. We get 24.5 plus 76.97, and we get area is equal to 111.47.